Hello friends, today's video about our trekking to beautiful Mainapi Waterfall in Netravali, Goa.
Oh, look whom I found. Wow, trekkers. Hi guys.
Hello.
Where are you going?
Waterfall.
Hello, Mainapi Waterfall.
Okay. So, how is your trekking going?
Good.
Good, we have seen many birds.
Yeah. Bird watching is the main part.
Uh-huh.
But little bit hot, we looks like came a little late. Otherwise, trek is beautiful.
And what about you, small trekker?
Everything's fine except a little bit water.
You are not
Breaks.
tired?
Tired.
Tired. Good.
Okay.
From begin of the gate of Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary to Waterfall, it is about 5 km one side. And direction to Waterfall is a little difficult because almost only climbs are there. And we went little late, so we were really tired. It was super hot, 10-11 o'clock. So when Papa asked us to talk something, we were not able to tell anything. Only we wanted to rest and take water. No vehicles or bikes are allowed to this trek, so less people are going. On the gate of Wildlife Sanctuary where we entered, we have to pay 100 rupees per person for this trek. All along the trek are many boards with pictures of birds, insects and animals which are found in this area. When we reached Waterfall, we were really tired. But after taking bath in the water, very cold water of Mainapi Waterfall, we got enough strength to reach home happily and safely. That's all. See ya! Happy trekking!